my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Miffy. So today I'm gonna do a unboxing. It actually launched the 4th of March and they actually launched 8 AM, which was super early because I would expect it to come at like 10 AM in the morning. Usually that's when all the like collections are supposed to launch. But in total in this collection there are 5 pairs of shoes, so 3 of them are for adults and the other 2 are for like toddlers and for junior sizing. They also did a Dr Martens Hello Kitty collaboration last year as well, and that was for their 60th birthday, so I'm not sure if this collaboration is to do with the 61st birthday for Hello Kitty, because this collaboration is different. It is to do with Hello Kitty and her friends. Most of this collection will be featuring Hello Kitty and her friends on the actual design of these shoes and boots. So the 3 shoes in this collection that are for adults, I managed to get 2 pairs of shoes in this collection. So I got 1 pair of Jadon boots, also got the 1461 leather shoes, and the 1461 are just standard shoes. There's no double platform this time, so the only thing that's double platform is the Jadon boots in this collection. All the other rest are just like normal Dr Martens shoes that you just usually get. Lines are different for each shoe, so there's one shoe where it just features Hello Kitty and her friends, and then the 1461 leather shoes you get an all over print with Hello Kitty. Further ado, I'm going to show you the pair of shoes that I managed to grab from this collection, and I'll be trying them on, reviewing them and giving you like a quick size reference of how the shoes are like. First pair of shoes that I got from the collection, and this time there's no like 60th anniversary on this box like the last Hello Kitty collaboration last year, so I assume this has got nothing to do with like Hello Kitty's anniversary, and this is more in celebration with Hello Kitty and her friends. So you can see Dr Martens and Hello Kitty and friends, and this one I got is the 1461 black leather shoes. So this is an all over print with Hello Kitty and her friends, and this is not platformed. That's how it looks like inside. It's so cute, and you get 2 different laces. So this one you get 1 pair of black laces, and also you get like pink ribbon laces, so you can change it up. So if you don't really prefer the black laces, you can put in the pink ribbon laces. So it just depends what you fancy and what look you're going for, but these are so versatile. The inside of the box even matches the print of the shoe. That is so cute. So this is how the shoe looks like. It's so cute. You get like Hello Kitty and all of her friends. It's like a multicolour pattern print all over the shoe, and this is so nice. Like I can see myself wearing this. You can see the iconic stitching around the shoe, and I've actually never owned a pair of 1461 before, and this is the first time. Like I always love the double platform styles, but they can actually get really heavy time to time, especially if you're walking long distance, and these one I feel like they'll be more comfortable because they just don't seem so heavy. And it's like I did a previous video on the collaboration last year for Hello Kitty's 60th anniversary for Dr Martens, and the ones that I got originally were the 1461s, I believe, and they were the quad platform ones. So they were the exact same ones, but the finish was glossy and reflective. This one's like a matte leather, and the other one was also like platformed. So I got a size 5. I usually wear a UK size 6, but for Dr Martens they tend to run a bit big for me, so I tend to size down in size, and it usually fits perfectly, because if I went for a 6 it's too big and I have to put insoles in, and that's just not really convenient. So I try to get a size that fits me perfectly without, you know, like just too much friction going in. Even if you wear like socks, it just kind of produces so much friction whenever you walk with them. I'm gonna be trying these on and giving you my thoughts on this shoe. I'm gonna also show you the other pair that comes with it. So this one has like a little cute red bow here, like you can just detach it. Oh my god, that's cute. It has the tag here and you get the extra laces. As I said, this is like the pink ribbon laces if you choose to switch up your laces if you prefer to. So I'm going to be trying on the shoes and letting you have a look what the shoes look like on my feet, and I'm just going to tell you about my thoughts about the shoe. Wise, I am quite surprised how these one feels a bit more snug than usual, because I've never tried this style before. So upon wearing it, it felt a little bit tight, like my toes were actually touching the actual shoe at the front and it kind of felt uncomfortable, and then the back felt like there was no space whatsoever. It felt so tight and restricted. Definitely a first for me, especially wearing Dr Martens, and I've never had the issue where it was so tight, but it always ends up being the opposite where it was too big. So I'm thinking for these you might need to not size down for this style, but I would say go with your original size. So my original size is UK size 6, so I feel like the fitting for this is true to size. I feel like I need to return this and get a size 6 instead, and I feel like that will fit perfectly for my feet, because I feel like Dr Martens don't feel comfortable when they are too tight, but then it doesn't feel comfortable when it's too loose either, so it has to be in between. And the only thing that I think is just quite frustrating is that you don't get many half sizes. Like you get 6.5, but you don't get like 4.5, 5.5, because I know people struggle with sizing when it's Dr Martens, and it would be easier if there was a half sizing for each size so everyone can get the perfect sizing. Overall, I really like the comfort, I like the style, I like the design. It's not too much, and I like how it's different to the other collection they did last year, and I like how this is not just placed all over with one image. I like how it's all over print. They've never done it all over print before, and I wish that they did this in the boot version and not only the low cut shoe version, because I know a lot of people wanted this in the boot version. The only issue is that the all over prints are only available in the junior and the toddler sizing, so it kind of gives a disadvantage for the people that actually want this design in adult sizing, but I wish it was made available in adult sizing. How this one's different to the other ones that I owned from the last collection, which was the 1461 quad platform Dr Martens shoes, because this leather feels softer and it doesn't feel so like scrapey back of my feet and it creates blisters, but this time it like feels better, and I feel like it's easier to break in than the last one that I had. And a plus is that these ones don't feel so heavy because they're not double platform, so definitely good for walking. Definitely check it out if you want to get yourself a pair yourself, and I believe on Dr Martens there's still some sizes left available for some of the styles, but I'm not entirely sure if they still have the sizes, but I know that the bigger sizes have already sold out. But there's other retailers you can get them from. You can get them from Office and Tower London if you live in the UK, but I'm not completely sure for like elsewhere or worldwide, but you will have to check. and I will link down the links below where you can get yourself a pair of these Dr Martens. That I got is the Jadon platform boots, and these are so heavy. Just gonna open it up. This is how it looks like, exactly the same inside, just different style. So these are the boots. Like, they're so cute. Oh my god, I really see Hello Kitty friends all over the boot. You can see all the characters printed on the boot, and also at the back of the tongue of the boot as well, as you can see. And I like how this zipper, I've just realised, actually has a bow on it, and that's so cute. I love this little detail on this, and I like how it's different this time. I like how we still have this like iconic yellow stitching around the actual boot, and I like how they have actually added like different colour stitching on the actual boot. Like there's pink, and there's like a pastel blue like stitch here also. And this time round it comes with the pink ribbon laces, and I feel like you get other laces as well, but I think they're not black. They are white laces you would also get in here, but I can't seem to find it. You'll get white laces. There's no option for black laces. This is the other pair, and I managed to find the white laces that are included in this. So it's inside here. So you get white laces with this. So you don't get black laces with this. So I feel like if you wanted black laces, you can buy them separately and just add them on top if you prefer like that. But I feel like I would just get a pair of black laces somewhere and wear these with them. Like I really like the pink and white laces, but I feel like for me I prefer them to be black because I'm just scared that the laces are just gonna get dirty. So I just want to protect the laces, and I'll try and find a place that sells black laces, but preferably I think they'll be on Dr Martens website where you can actually buy the laces separately. So I'm gonna try these on for you guys and show you how the boot looks like on my feet. Sizing reference, I got this in a size 5 as well, because boots usually run quite big, so it's advisable to size down the original size, and they would be perfect for these feet. So I know that these will fit me because I've owned a pair of these before, so it should be no issue with the sizing for this, definitely. But I've always seen it in this matte finish. Like I've never seen Jadon boots in like a glossy finish. Maybe they did have a glossy version of Jadon boots, or maybe I've just been like living under a cave for so long that maybe they actually do exist. Small detail that I realise, as the boots at the back, the design is exactly the same, but this is the left side of the boot, and you can see the characters are different on each side of the boot, and I just realised because I thought they were both the same. But this one, it has Hello Kitty and her other friends on this boot, which is the left side of the boot, and if you look at the right side of the boot, it's a different character on the right side, so they're both not the same. So just make a note, both the same, because I actually thought they were the same, but they were different on each side. So in terms of comforts of the Jadon boots, They feel comfy, but they do take some time to break in because they are quite hard and the leather isn't so soft on these ones. So you will need to wear them out for quite some time for them to be comfortable and fitted to your feet. Because I've had issues where Jadon boots, they tend to give me blisters quite badly, so you have to prepare yourself for this, or I would advise you to wear really thick socks, so this could actually help the boots feel a bit more comfortable whenever you walk around, and it could prevent you from getting blisters, but it's not 100% like guaranteed. You'll just not get blisters, because I get so much blisters from wearing Dr Martens. I know that everyone is different and not everyone goes through the same phase. Like some might go through this phase where they have to take a long time to break in it and also suffer from blisters, and some don't need to. In comparison to the 1461 shoes in this collection, these ones are a little bit more simplistic. So these ones are just like Hello Kitty friends that I just placed on the boot, but the other one is all over print. So in terms of which one I prefer and which one I like the most, I prefer the 1461 leather shoes because they're different. I've never seen an all over print, especially for a Hello Kitty collaboration with Dr Martens, and it's something different. I feel like it's more versatile, and I feel like I'll get more use with the 1461 because it feels more comfortable on my feet, and I feel like it doesn't take very long for me to break in, and it's not heavy because it's not platformed. No matter which style I go for, they will be very versatile, and you can wear it with anything like jeans, skirts, leggings, just anything you can imagine. In terms of pricing, the 1461 leather shoes retail for $130, and you could apply student discount if you are a student, and you would actually get 10% off usually. And for the Jadon boots, they are retailed for £199, which is like not far from £200. That's pretty expensive. Yeah, I would say Dr Martens are really expensive, and I would say it's really hard to choose between which one you want. I definitely get it if you're gonna make the most use out of it when you buy it, because sometimes we just buy stuff but then we know that we might not get much wear out of it. So definitely that's something worth considering when you make a purchase for this. It's expensive, so definitely think about it. So guys, that concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will put a link down below in the description box where I got my Dr Martens from, and any other retailers that stock the styles that I've got. So comment down below if you managed to grab yourself a pair when it first launched, or if you're still deciding or thinking to get a pair for yourself. Let me know also which pair out of the two do you prefer the most. Do you prefer the Jadon boots, or do you prefer the 1461 leather shoes? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so when I next post you are notified when my next video comes. And I honestly can't wait to show you more videos in the future, and I will see you on my next video.